Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. Hope everyone's doing okay. Today I'm bringing you a bass lesson on Queen Latifah's U.N.I.T.Y. In the opening I was playing along with the instrumental track, which I will put a link to in the description box down below. So without further ado, on with the lesson. Alright, so we're going over the bass riff for U.N.I.T.Y. by Queen Latifah. I just call it Unity. You should have already seen the bass tablature, so if you need to, be sure to write that down or take a screenshot. So let's go over the riff very quickly. So we start on the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the riff basically takes place on the 5th, 6th, and 7th fret here. That's so you don't need to go all over the neck. It's just a one position bass riff. So 5, 7 on the A, 5 on the E. That's the first part. And then we go to the 7 on the A. Oops, I think I said that wrong. 5 on the E, 7 on the A, back to the 5 on the E. All right. That's the first part. And then we go to the 7th fret of the E, do a hammer-on pull-off thing on the A string. So 7 on the E, something like that. That's the first part of the riff. Okay, after we do that, so the second part of the riff, 5 on the D, 7 on the A, 5 on the D, 5, 7, then we end on the 7 on the D string. Oops, I messed up there. So if you need a little bit more guidance, 5, 7 on the E, A, 7 on the A, 5 on the E, 7 on the E, then 5 and 7 on the A, like a hammer-on pull-off type of thing. You just hit the string once. See what I'm doing. And then we go to the 7, or the 5 on the D, 7 on the A, 5 on the D, 7 on the D. And that's the riff. You just play that riff throughout the whole song of Queen Latifah's Unity, and you'll be good.